Welcome to Nurling Meadows.
H is for Hajj, a journey so grand to the house of Allah in a far-off land. H is for holy, H is for heart, where the story of faith is ready to start. Hey! In a dream so clear, a command was sent to test what Hazrat Ibrahim's devotion meant. To sacrifice his son, his Ismail so dear. They both obeyed Allah with no doubt or fear. "Oh my father, do as you are told," said the brave young son with a heart of gold. As they walked to Mina, Shaitan came to play. 3 times he whispered to lead them astray. At the pillars of Jamarat they stood their ground, throwing stones at the evil where peace was found. "Go away, Shaitan, we follow the Lord, with faith as their shield and truth as their sword." Just as the blade was ready to strike, Allah showed a miracle nothing quite like. He saved young Ismail so gentle and good, and sent down a ram where the boy had stood. Now we offer Qurbani in memory of that day, to follow their footsteps and learn how to pray. H is for hurry to the tents of Mina, under the stars of the desert so green, standing at Arafat with hands raised high, asking for mercy under the vast open sky. To Muzdalifah we go to gather our stones, where the night is so quiet and Allah's love is shown. H is for Hajj, where everyone is the same, no matter your country, no matter your name. In simple white clothes, the poor and the grand stand side by side in the holy sand. It's a duty for those who are healthy and strong to join in the journey where we all belong. H is for Hajj, H for the home, to the house of Allah we happily roam. H is for honoring the sacrifice they made, with a faith in our hearts that will never fade. H for Hajj, H for heart, H for history. Everything connects back to the greatest one, Allah.
Wanna hear a secret? Stories grow better when you subscribe.